Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach shoe shop inventory management system in Java. So here, men's blue casual shoe, men's black formal. So there are four various shoes are there. The here we have to buy this one, men's shoe. This one, this one, two. So here click add button. Here there will be the price will be 100. This one, quantity one, this one. This two we have buying uh, two. So here is a price will be this. This one the price. Okay, the total will display over here. Okay, the final total. Okay, so very simple. How to do this task step by step we'll discuss. Okay. First, what I'm going to do is go to the file, new project, Java application, click next. Here if it is check as create main class, you have to uncheck it. Here I have to give the name as shoe shop. Finish. Select the project. There will be the folder package called source package. Inside the source package there will be the default package. Right click, new, JFrame form. Here I am going to name it as shoe shop. Shoe shop. Hit finish button. The frame has been created. Now here we have to increase a little bit. Window you have to increase a little bit. Drag the label over here. You have to name it as shoe shop. Select this one, properties. Click on this one, width bold 48. Hit OK. Click on this. You have to increase size a little bit. 70, 80. Hit OK, 80 or 65. Hit OK. Perfect. This one you have to name it as, right click, properties, click OK. Perfect. After that, what I am going to see, I am going to drag one panel. Right click, properties, border. We have to put it as this bevel border. It is very attractive. There are most of the software they include this one, the bevel border. Okay, this for the attractive display purpose. Okay, so after that we drag the label checkboxes. Okay, so we have to drag the checkboxes. This is checkbox we are dragging. Okay, this checkboxes we have to properties. Click on this one, bold with 80. Perfect. You have to name it as for the name we are given. This is the name. Just you have to right click, edit text. You have to type it. If I type it, take too much of time to complete. So that I just copy and paste it. Same thing is just Control C to copy, Control V to paste it. Okay, rather than drag and drop. It's very simple. Once you've done this, you can get the copy. You just copy and paste it. Right, Control C, Control V. This one select, Control C, Control V. Get the copy of that. Okay, right. We got the copy. Now what I'm going to just go here. I just change the name each of the checkboxes. I'm going to change the name of each checkboxes. Select this one, edit text, right. Select this one, edit text. Okay, select this one. See, we have changed the name successfully. Right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do here is we have to give the name as well. This each text box we identify by the name. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is simply we have to give the name. So simply I gave the name here as, right click. If you want to edit the text, you have to use edit text. You have to change the name of the checkbox, change variable name. Here I'm going to get chkm blue, mb blue, this m blue. You can give any name of this one checkbox, chk. this is indicate as a checkbox, so that I have named it as before the name I put it as checkbox. Okay, if I give the name, it's very simple to identify the checkbox, each and every checkbox. Paste it, go here, right click, change variable, copy it, change variable, paste it over here, select this one, change variable, copy it, select this one, change variable, copy it, change variable, you have to paste over here. Okay, we have to name it as. Okay, we have to change the name of each text field. Okay, you just right click and you can type the name by which you want. Okay, right. After that, what I'm going to do is I need a J table. Just drag and drop. You have to reduce the size a little bit. We no need more. Perfect. Okay. Select this one. Your name. Item price quantity total. Item price quantity total. So here select this one. Item price quantity total. Total. So here you have to rows, select this one, delete, select, delete, select, delete, select, delete. Perfect. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do here is, here we need an add button. So here drag and drop. Select this one, bold, 18 with red. Now I'm going to drag the labels, the total, properties, the size a little bit with 36 or 48. Control C to copy, Control V to paste it, get another copy. This one we have to change it as a size red. Name I am going to give as check variable txtp. That's it. That's the thing we have to do. Right, perfect. Right. Now let's do the program. Simple. Okay. Now let's select this one. Go to the source. Control F. Type UI. Press enter key. Here this is the UI. You have to change it as metal. Okay. Select this one. Right click. Properties. Code generate center. That's it. So execute the program and check. Shoe shop. Select this one. Properties. Shoe shop. Okay, now what I'm going to do is here. Go to the here. Double click on this one. Default table, I will be explaining it, don't worry about that. Go to the design, add button, double click on the add button, the basic over here, the default table model, in order to generate the table, JTable. Okay, so here this is the validation we have to do. So I just go here, I just copy this one and paste it over here. I'll be explain it. Otherwise Now we have paste it. The code I will be explain it. So here we have a column. We have to change this one as a blue shoe. We easily identify shoe. The name, control C to copy. The same thing you have to change it as a name. Black shoe. This also shoe. Shoe. So it's very simply understandable. Okay. So here I'll be explaining it. First you have to import the default table model object you have created as model, because why, what the purpose we have created is we have to interact with the JTable. So you have to create the model object. We have to initialize the variable sum equals 0. Here there are 4 various checkboxes are there. If you check this checkbox, which the name is this, okay, if you are selected, this name is this. If you are selected, this name is this name. What's the HKM? What's the name we are given? HK, just copy, paste over here. Why is it not working? Okay, blue. Okay, right. Now here, if you are select this one, you create a variable string main blue. I just create the variable, whatever name you can give. The variable name I create the variable this, but include this text, main blue casual shoe. It include this text. Price I have provided as 1000. Quantity we have to provide as quantity text field. I have to given. We didn't import the quantity text field. I forgot to import that. I drag and drop. Backspace to remove. Select again. Bold with port 18. txt m blue mb shoe. Okay, same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste below. This one should be txt mb c shoe. Perfect. Same thing, select again, control C to copy, control V to paste it. This one. Quantity. Okay, perfect. This quantity chk, we have to give the name p brown b shoe. Same thing, control C to copy, control V to paste below. This one you have to name it as txt come from tmb if shoe. Okay, we gave the name successfully. Now what I'm going to do here is you have add button also there as well. Now text field name you have to change it. The first checkbox name, text box name you are given as the same name. Whatever name you just copy, paste over here. What is the amount you are typing on this text field? It is assigned to the variable quantity. After that you have to create the variable dot price into quantity. It will be calculated and assigned to the variable dot a model, default proper table model. We have to print on this text text field j table this name, price, quantity and total. It will be printing on this j table. Okay, the same thing happening in another thing. If you are choosing this one here, not else if we are using the if condition. Okay, another if you are choose this one, first time it choose this, second time it choose this. If you choose second one, this check box is selected. The men's blue this text will be appearing. Okay, at 2 times we have to put it this text field. That's a problem. Black form or this one. Okay, sorry, not this. Black form, black embrow, not in black form. This text field form. Okay, if the user select this text field, what's the name of this one? You have changed the name as this one. Control C copy. I just paste it over here. Okay, if you select this one, what happened? The text should be assigned to this variable. Price I have put it as this. Quantity, what's the quantity I entered it assigned to the quantity variable. Total we have calculated. Price into quantity, it will be calculated the total and assigned the total variable. You have to print out this setting. The same thing happening in this brown as well, and confirmed as well. This is the same thing here done. Okay, the same thing, you just variable, you just copy it, paste it over here. Same thing, you have to copy it, paste it over here. That's it. That's the thing you have to do. The final total we have put the loop and calculated. Okay, this 0, 1, 2, 3 position. The third position we have calculated the total. Total calculated and assigned the variable sum. Finally, we have printed into the txt bill label, the final total. Okay, we are just convert integer dot toString method to convert and print it here. Over here, we have to execute the program and check whether it's working fine or not. Click add button. Why was it not working? And the name is the problem. I think what's the name here we are given txt table 2. That's the problem. Table 2. This is table 2. This is table 2. You have changed it as a table 1. You have changed it table 2. That's why it's not showing. Here you will be able to see now here. Click on this one. 2, 1. It's working fine. Why it's only one thing is added, another one is not added. The problem. We have some error. CHK blue shoe is a blue shoe. This one should be the CXK. The problem is this name I haven't give properly. This checkbox name, that's the problem. CHK brown. Name should be the wrong. Because every name should be wrong. That's why it's a problem. Now it's working. 2, 1. This 3, 2 working. This one why is not working? Puppy brown form. Okay. To check this one. Okay, name is okay. So everything is fine. What's the problem? Yeah, the problem is here. This one should be txt. This one txt pop shop. I changed it the name wrong. This one should be txt p shop. That's we have to put the name wrong. That's one. That's right. Now it's okay. Perfect. Now let's run. If it is get something error, you try to identify what kind of okay. Now it's working fine. You will be able to get the total. Okay, now what total is not displaying total not displayed. Here is 2. Now we'll be able to see the total. Again, what's the problem? You'll be able to see main shoe 1. Click add button here. The total will be successful. Okay. Don't worry about this. Is all the source code provided by my website. You will be able to download and use it and have fun. Thank you for watching.